Detectors, folks. I'm Dr. Cos coming at you from Los Angeles. I am your ozone analyzer detector expert. Today, we are presenting to you our newest member of our family. It's our high range ozone meter. High range, 0 to 100 parts per million. The standard detectors detect 0 to 20. This goes beyond that. Dr. Cos, when am I getting my high range meter? Here it is, folks. For those people that sanitize or use ozone and want to get to the high ranges, this is the meter you're looking for. It detects, again, up to 100 parts per million. And you may recognize it. Look, folks, it's like its little brother here. It's the blue version. It's our standard ozone detector. 0 to 20 parts per million. Again, 0 to 100 parts per million. Now, this also comes again with all the same bells and whistles our Model 90 has. And more important than that, we calibrate the detectors and test them here in Los Angeles with our own hands to make sure those levels are bang on, accurate, and you have confidence. Enjoy the unboxing. Say hi to your families. See you later. Let's get straight to the unboxing of our high range ozone detector. Just go ahead and open up the box. Inside you will find your detector bubble wrapped with the USB cable that plugs up to any USB charger and the calibration cap. You will see how that pops on the front of the detector, and we get our calibration certificate signed by our calibration engineer and your user manual, folks. It's all over here. If you lose anything or want to see how it's used, just go to YouTube or our website and all the information is there. So let's pop all that stuff on the side and go ahead and just unpack the detector. Look, folks, just wiggle that guy out. It gets a little sticky sometimes because of the rubberized, beautiful rubberized housing. Now look, the power button's on the left hand side. Go ahead, depress that. Up comes the alarm preset levels, and then bang, it shows you the instantaneous ozone that is being detected, folks. Now let's go through what's happening here. You see your ozone level, which is right there, the time, the battery level indicator right there, and O3, that's there to remind you, oh, what gas am I detecting again? Or if you dump this somewhere and over time you forget, when you power up, you know exactly what gas you are detecting. This little hole here is for the buzzer. This bigger hole is the sensor, folks. That is where the ozone diffuses through and is detected. These are two large red LEDs. If the alarms are going, they are flashing. You have your up and down buttons and your select button and menu. So just go ahead, press both up and down buttons to get to the menu. To go back, just simply press the left. Look at that again, both up and down together, and you want to select, you go up or down, and that's the enter button right there. Or if you want to go back to the main menu, just press the left button. Very easy, folks. Look at that, guys. Anti-slip grip. You have your belt clip, your labels, so you know the serial number and the basic specifications. And that's basically it. At the bottom, folks, we have the USB port. And look at this, guys. This is your power button for the flashlight. Okay, at the front here, we have an LED and there is a flashlight that can be used. And that's basically it. Now let's move over to exposing this to some ozone. Check it out, folks. Okay, folks, let's demo and expose the gas detector to ozone. We use a calibration cap to do that. It comes with the detector, as you saw. I have my Inali ozone generator, and basically you just pop that on top of the detector. And look, folks, let me just pop it over there. The detector detects in 1 ppm increments. So if we start ramping up the ozone, as you could see, the ozone goes up, and we're going to hit some alarms. So you'll see the unit start to flash and vibrate, and you go up, it keeps going all the way up, folks, all the way up, and then we go back all the way down, and then we take off the cap, and that reverts back to 0 parts per million. And there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing, turn on, and demo of our high range ozone detector. Have a great day.